Here we have an Old New Testament. It's a New Testament. It's a little war. But very cool book. And normal foxing that happens on a book this old. As you can see, we're talking 1854 right there.
Thousands more enjoy Premier Care and Bathing's Easy Access Showers, the ultimate in low-entry shower. Features private door options, a comfortable fold-down seat, and Premier Care has been commended by the Arthritis Foundation.
Seems to be all together, so pretty good little book. Make offer.